Introducing the Sumart DHA-29 Rear Dropout Adjustment Tool. Tool is an essential tool for cyclists and bike mechanics. It allows you to adjust and align the rear derailleur hanger, ensuring smooth gear shifting and drivetrain performance. How to use. Make sure your bike is secure on a stand or stable surface. Find the rear derailleur hanger near the back wheel. Line up the DHA-29 tool with the hanger, using the alignment gauge and adjustable arm. Check for any misalignment and adjust if necessary. Double-check the alignment and adjust as needed. Test shifting through gears to ensure it works properly. If you're still having issues, ask a pro for help. The Sumart DHA-29 Rear Dropout Adjustment Tool makes it easy to align the rear derailleur hanger for smooth gear shifting on your bike.